KintaMani. Hi friends, it's Mia. New Year is coming soon.
Mia, look what I found in Grandma's kitchen.
What is it, Mom?
This is magical gingerbread recipe. Legend says gingerbread cookies bring good luck for New Year.
Magical cookies? Really?
But this is a challenge. We need to follow every step perfectly or the magic won't work.
I could do it. I'm a great baker.
Friends, can you help us to make magical gingerbread cookies?
Let's start our adventure.
First, we need to gather magical ingredients together. Can you help me to count them, Mia?
Yes, I love counting.
Ingredient number 1, flour. This makes our cookies strong.
1.
Ingredient number 2, brown sugar. This makes them magical and sweet.
2. It looks like sand.
Ingredient number 3, butter. Butter makes them soft and yummy.
3. It's squishy.
Ingredient number 4, 1 egg. This holds everything together.
4. Be careful, it might break.
Ingredient number 5, molasses. This makes them dark and delicious.
5. It's so sticky and shiny.
And now, most magical ingredients of all, the special spices.
What are those?
Cinnamon and ginger. This make our cookies smell like Christmas magic.
They smell so good.
Perfect! Now we are ready to start mixing. First, we need to mix butter and sugar together. Want to help?
Yes, I'm ready.
Now we use the mixer to blend them together. Watch the magic happen!
It's getting fluffy like cloud.
That's exactly right. Now we're at the egg. Now the molasses.
It's like chocolate syrup, but darker.
Now comes the fun part, spices. Cinnamon and ginger.
This is a magical part. Smells like Christmas.
Don't forget baking soda. Now we mix it together.
It's turning brown. The magic is working.
Now we're slowly adding flour. Can you help me to pour?
Mom, it's becoming dough.
Yes, the magic is happening. Now we need to let it rest in refrigerator. Dough needs to sleep before we can roll it.
How long does it sleep?
About 30 minutes.
So fast, let's wait a little longer.
Yes, perfect. It's firm and cold. Time to roll. First, we sprinkle flour on the counter so dough doesn't get stick. Can you help?
Yes. Like snow.
Yes, like snow. Now we roll the dough flat with this rolling pin.
Can I try?
Of course you can. Here we go.
It's getting flat like a pancake.
Perfect. Now comes the most fun part, cutting shape. What shape should we make?
A star and trees and gingerbread.
Perfect. Let's start first gingerbread person.
I'm making a gingerbread girl.
Beautiful. Now carefully lift it up and put it in the baking sheet. I'm making star. Let's do it. Perfect.
I'm making a Christmas tree.
Now we're gathering together and roll it again. This ornament, what do you think? It's good?
Yeah, it's good.
Let's try together. Santa Claus! Cookies ready. Now our cookies need to be in the oven. Remember, ovens are very hot, so only grown-ups can put them in.
How long do they bake?
About 10 minutes. Let's set time together.
10 minutes.
While they bake, let's get ready our decoration. We have 4 colors: red, blue, green, and yellow.
I have sprinkles. There's so many colorful sprinkles inside.
Hey guys, cookies are ready.
They're done.
Look at them. They are golden brown and perfect.
They smell so good.
Now comes most creative part, decorating. You can make each cookie unique.
Can I decorate this gingerbread girl first?
Of course, let's give her a face. What color should her smile be?
Red! Like a happy smile! What else does she need?
Buttons. 1, 2, 3 buttons. Beautiful. Let's decorate more. Our gingerbread man cookies are ready. You can prepare yummy and beautiful gingerbread man cookies with your parents. I have one more surprise for you. I'm gonna sing a jingle bell song. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over hills we go, laughing all the way. Bells and bobtail ring, making spirit bright. What fun is to ride and sing a song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. What fun is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Happy New Year, friend! Don't forget like our video. See you next time. Bye bye.